how to change PayPal currency in 2023. So basically all we have to do is go to our profile and then click on the three dots right here over our PayPal balance, and then we have to select this option, manage currencies. So we will be taken to a completely different page right here. What we need to aim for is the right hand side right here. You will see all of your currencies. For me, it's euros and US dollars. If you want to add a currency, all you have to do is click on add a currency right here. Then you select the currency which you would like. So let's do British pounds. And then you click on add currency. As you can see, we will get this message. You added the British pound. Okay, so then all you have to do is, if you want to make it your primary currency, you have to click on the three dots next to the currency itself, like so, and then you have to select this option, make primary. So that is how you change your currency in PayPal. I hope this was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.